For Mamelodi Sundowns, of course. Dennis Onyama would have been becoming knockout and emphatic win for Mamelodi Sundowns by 4 goals to 0. Now, player who's also taken to the Chiefs like he's been here forever. Of set piece beauties here. Kebo Mogwe goes short. And to play something in, throw something into the box, and almost getting caught. Then Lille doing what he does best, pressing from the front. Lille still going, cuts it across. Out lifted, still out there. Keeps man just below, chanting the name of Glory Lilepo. 3 goals. His former club on the receiving end of 4 goals against Anderson last time out. And the ball goes down to make the saves. You didn't see the Kaizer Chiefs defense there, but also Raiders had so much players in front of him that a Kaizer Chiefs player he could have opted to play for Marisana. Rivero Costa popping up on the right side there. Slips in here, Shadulile. Raiders was attacking. I think the ball is so dangerous. Look at the ball, you just need to play it in front of Raiders. It's very interesting to see them how they put it. Work from Modi here. Morris goes down. Flag is slowly enjoying his game again. The glimpses of Mule and Modi that we knew. Yes, he's going to keep it in play. In this situation, Tekomodi said there may not be too many chances like this. There may not be too many chances. He plays very, very well to always want to play, and whenever you give him an opportunity, you always feel like it is an opportunity for you to grab. Rivero Costa coming up in midfield. Once he gets on the ball, he is so hard to dispossess. But now with one possession back here. Morrison. Just to get onto the ball, tries to get on the ball. Gets the square ball in, and Modi tries the flick. Chiefs have started very quickly here, and now could be an opportunity if they can get this. And they just overran it there. We're going to really clear-cut chances as yet in the game. Ileko. In the last 10 minutes, we've gone to find Modi. You can bring it under control.
Gana pela Modi.
Taking on
Gana Modi.
There's a game right now that needs a goal for you to open up. Now, good work from Brooklyn. Time the challenge. Carrying the ball. Now. Try the spread. Now.
Offside now, move to my face.
Who's supporting? It's you!
Offside now.
Yes, now we go.
Offside now, move to my face.
Clever ball being played back in. Look at it. One ball being played out. Look at where Miguel is out of position. The cavalry there from Doki was late. Look at the ball being played. That first touch. That is sauce upon sauce. Look at that.
Yes, yes.
So much power using his legs. Set it up for himself.
Oh, man. I'll shadow you.
Get it on the 4 times. Now, be a chance to put one back. Looking for it. You get the sense there. 4.
Santa America.
Allende looking to make it 2 just before the break. And Puma comes out to catch that one, and that will be that. From Modi. Was there a flag anyway? This afternoon. Now, there could be problems here. Yes, goal, or rather, Ibero Costa's goal is 12th. Oh, could be a chance here, but the keeper came out and it's not a team that is relying on one striker. It could be in here again. Ibero Costa goes down a little bit too easily. February hold on for what will be his first clean sheet. Now, like Kaizer seems to have some manages to turn. Costa. You can say what a better week to rest. As Shalurina looks to cut one back. In all competition. And for Chiefs, it's only match number 2. Now, Shabalala looking to combine there with Modi. To Shabalala.
Shut up!
Great turn for
A
chance for Krosla. I can see you trying to buy some time and space for him to be able to shoot, but that pass as well to Lilepo. You can see what his intentions were, just to play in across.
Well, no, how much you went?
Take it.
We found Jerry.
Now with the side.
Hold my other pass. To play.
What a pass. Ibero Costa was drove it as
I'm shy, look, put that thing. I'm shy.
Shabalala. Reverse pass there for Pulemoji. Too many yellow jerseys in the
That's
box.
too power to move. And you can't.
Now, that's right. Reynolds in there. Reynolds could be in here. Racing into the box is Matthews.
Keep it ball.
Matthews. And avoid defeat. Defeating a rugged those are type of balls that he actually gets. Look at the pass there for Mukwena. Being able to play from Reynolds Day. Boomer as well, playing that ball back into Mukwena, but he forced again to make the double save. Now. Lives for the game. Now, Yusuf Marta. Still Matthews.
That's a goal, I think. Oh.
Now to play. Likes to run. These are the early stages of the first half. For now, Shabalala's on side, looking for someone to pick out there. Looking for too many touches. Now, Ibero Costa on the ball. The problems. Gets underneath it.
Hey, why?
Now, Reynolds is in here. Now, Allende.
Oh my goodness!
That's a clever little play. He has also in his locker. Able to play with some of these. There is one big prize that he will be judged by, though. I'm afraid for him, even as dominant as they are at the minute in the Betway Premiership, that is not going to be the measure of his success this season. Interview. Now the shots! He's still playing on. There we go. There it is. Mr. Alani Kwenda confirms